Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your LG Tone earbuds with MacBook. So to this we have to simply open this charging case, then click and hold this button right here until this indicator on the front starts blinking. So keep holding, just like that. Right now we can release that button and we have to go to the settings, select Bluetooth, click on this switcher and then select our earbuds. At the end you can also go for the sound settings and be sure that the output and the input is switched to our LG earbuds. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.